Hey creators, want to design a fun 3D toy box character using just a prompt in ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, go to chat.openai.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using a version of ChatGPT that supports image generation. If you want ChatGPT to customize the design based on a real photo, upload your picture right here. This part's optional, but adds a fun personal touch. Now here's the fun part. Just paste the prompt from the description into ChatGPT and watch what happens. Prompt: create a stylized 3D toy box character package featuring a male character named Tim Borken. The character should be designed in a fun, cartoonish 3D style, similar to collectible action figures. He is smiling, wearing a red cap backward, a white Nike tracksuit, and white sneakers. He holds a smartphone in one hand. The package should be clear plastic, showcasing the character along with accessories on the side. A black cap labeled King, Modern Professional Gaming Materials, and the Counter-Strike 2 logo. The background should resemble realistic retail packaging, with his name in bold at the top and a section labeled Accessories. Use soft lighting and high-quality rendering. You'll find the full prompt in the description below. Then just sit back and let ChatGPT generate your custom 3D toy box character. It's fast, it's fun, and it looks like something straight out of a store. And that's it. You've just created your own 3D character package using AI. Like the video, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool AI content.